Hello YouTubers, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Today we are working on replacing the battery for a remote for 2016 Ram 3500. So this probably is going to be the same for most of the remote for the Chrysler product. So first of all, we gotta deattach the key ring. So you're gonna move the key. Now here you're gonna have a slot there, so you're gonna use private. Now it open up, so be gentle when you do this. Come apart. Now it's gonna be another piece here, so keep everything kind of tight together in a way. So we are going to private right there. And it's coming apart. There you go. This part comes off. Now you're gonna pull all the cover here, and we're gonna flip it. It's right there. So it is CR2032. I hope you guys can see it. Control remote. So I got those already here. So we're gonna replace it. It's pretty straightforward, as you can see. So here's the main thing, just being careful this thing. So the plus sign goes right now pointing up, you can see it, so just be careful when you remove it, just like that. And we are going to remove the new one. Install it. And it's in. Now we're going to put the cover like that. The battery's facing down now. And we are going to put her back in. Now the cover here. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy outside. Press down. Now it's there. Last part. Press firm. There is. It's not all the way. There's no gap anymore. So let's test it. The reason we replaced this is because on the cluster, instrument cluster, was showing us a light that says the battery remote, it was weak. That's why. Okay, so anyhow, I hope this helped, and have a great day. Please like the video, share, comment, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and I will be doing the best I can to reply to those. But again, have a great day. I hope this helped, and see you in the next one. God bless. Bye.